What's going on, everybody? We're trying something a tad bit different using my phone. Anyway, so what's going on, everybody? It's your boy D-Mo right back here again with another video. Today, unboxing. See the box from the good boys at Nike, and let's see what we got. Y'all already know what it is, cause I don't know. You know what? I say that every time. I always say, let's see what we got in the box. But knowing I'm finna title the daggone video, you know, something else. So, receipt. You know, y'all know how we gotta do. And unless you're a sneakerhead, you know what kind of box this is. These are my boys. Me money, me the blooms. These are the Kyrie 2 lows right here, size 10.5. Y'all know how we do. I forgot in Kyrie's I need to go in 11, but that's only if I'm hooping them. I'm not gonna hoop in these. So yeah, and size 10.5. You can see it says Kyrie low 3 SB SP. Y'all know what it is. You know your acronyms. SpongeBob SquarePants. And boy, these are ignorant. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I got the Mr. Krabs joints. Ooh, these are beautiful, baby. That's the plankton joints right here. Oh my goodness. And then you got the red patent leather. Yo, these will bust next, so for real. Got the all red patent leather with the gold swoosh. And then you got the money on the inside. Oh, you can see that right there. And then you can see Mr. Krabs on the inside right there. The plankton boys. You got the blue bottoms for Mr. Krabs. You got the blue pants. That's the gold belt buckle, I'm assuming, or the money, whatever. Hey, these are fire, bro. Fire, fire, fire. Me the blooms. Mr. Krabs. I'm finna hit y'all with some, most definitely B-roll for these. These deserve a B-roll. Nike basketball. What are you doing? What a collab. Oh my gosh. These are dope. And then look, they even got the font off the show. If you know how the font is on the show. There, right there. But shout out to Nike basketball. I ain't gonna try to keep this video too long. I'll finish out with some B-roll for the details, some on foot. So I'll let y'all in a minute. Peace. So I was finna do the on feet, and look at this. We still don't know the Krabby Patty secret formula.